Title: Missing F-35 Fighter Jet, Urgent Appeal for Assistance. Greetings, breaking news subscribers. We have a critical situation to discuss. An F-35 fighter jet is still missing, even a day after the pilot safely ejected. This incident has raised serious questions, as Representative Nancy Mace expressed her disbelief, asking, "How in the hell do you lose an F-35?" Our dedicated teams, along with mission partners, are actively searching for the jet. The pilot's ejection went smoothly, thanks to the F-35's unique capabilities for vertical takeoff and landing. However, the last known position was north of Joint Base Charleston, near Lake Moultrie and Lake Marion. We urgently seek your assistance in locating the missing aircraft. If you have any information, please contact the facility's operations center at 843-963-3600. It's worth noting that the F-35's transponder was not functioning, adding complexity to the search efforts. This situation underscores the need for improved tracking technology. In conclusion, we implore you to subscribe to Breaking News, share our content with friends, and activate notifications to stay informed about our latest updates. Together, we can contribute to resolving this perplexing situation. This report was prepared by the Breaking News team. Thank you for your support.